30 ways to use Meta AI. Meta AI, developed by Meta, formerly Facebook, offers powerful tools for creativity, productivity, and everyday support. Here are 30 practical ways to use Meta AI. 1. Content creation. Generate blog posts, captions, or video scripts effortlessly. 2. Photo editing. Instantly enhance photos or remove unwanted objects. 3. Video summarization. Summarize long videos into quick, digestible highlights. 4. Language translation. Translate conversations or posts in real time. 5. Virtual assistant. Set reminders, schedule meetings, and manage to-do lists. 6. Shopping suggestions. Get smart recommendations based on preferences. 7. Business ads. Create catchy AI-optimized ads for Facebook or Instagram. 8. Chatbots. Set up customer support chatbots for business pages. 9. Educational help. Explain complex topics in simple terms. 10. Social media captions. Write engaging captions for posts and stories. 11. Voice commands. Control smart devices using natural language. 12. Image generation. Generate visuals based on text prompts. 13. Video generation. Create short animations or storyboards with prompts. 14. Brainstorming. Come up with fresh ideas for projects or businesses. 15. Productivity boost. Summarize meetings, notes, or long text quickly. 16. Music creation. Compose melodies or lyrics using AI. 17. Memes and reels. Instantly generate memes or reel ideas from trends. 18. Local recommendations. Discover restaurants, events, or shops nearby. 19. Creative writing. Write poems, short stories, or novels with assistance. 20. Fitness plans. Generate workout routines based on your goals. 21. Meal planning. Suggest recipes based on ingredients at home. 22. Mental health prompts. Get daily affirmations or journal prompts. 23. Interactive learning. Create quizzes or flashcards for study. 24. Speech writing. Draft speeches for events or presentations. 25. Email drafting. Write and refine emails professionally. 26. Marketing copy. Generate catchy product descriptions or taglines. 27. Script writing. Develop short film or skit scripts quickly. 28. Coding help. Debug or generate code snippets. 29. Customer feedback. Analyze reviews and generate response templates. 30. Digital art creation. Turn sketches into polished illustrations. Meta AI is evolving quickly, integrating into platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, student, or professional, Meta AI can streamline tasks, inspire creativity, and save valuable time with its smart, responsive capabilities. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.